Hi guys, if you're looking for a way to create a US and UK PayPal account, this video is for you. Alright, I want you to watch this video to the end so that you'll see all the method I use in creating a UK or US PayPal account. If you're in any African country and you are looking for a way to create a PayPal that you can accept payments in all over the world, watch this video. All right, because I made this video special for someone like you, so you can start receiving payment from your freelance jobs. All right, so I don't want to waste your time and I don't want this video to be long, so let's dive in. Let me show you how it goes. So the first thing I'm going to show you here, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is we are going to install what will make our internet to be private. Then the second one, we are going to create a PayPal account, then verify it. Then the third one, we are going to create a US bank account or US, UK or any European bank account that we are going to link to our PayPal so we can start accepting payments. So let's go. So now I want you to go to your browser. All right, so type 1.1.1.1. You can see it on my system, right? Oh, I'm saying something is wrong. So click on it, search it again, click on the second or the first link. All right, so 1.1.1.1, that's like 1 in 4 place. All right, so that's what I want you to click. So now that's exactly what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to click on that to get that installed. Sorry, I'm trying to clear my browser. Sorry about that. I'm trying to clear my browser so I can have enough space. All right, so now the website is loading, so let's give it time. Let's give it time. So I'm not going to pay too much attention on this, but what I want you to understand, like I'm going to fast forward this. What I want you to understand is, if you have a VPN, you on it. If you don't have it, I want you to install this particular thing. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to download it now. If you're using a Windows, a Mac, it is very important, please. It is very important. So I prefer using this instead of VPN. For this one, it does not change your location, but it keep your network private and secure. So your network won't be acting like a fraudulent activities is going on. It is very necessary. So if you are using, like for me, I'm using a window, that's why I'm downloading it for window, right? So if you are using a Mac, you can see it here. If you want to do it out on your phone, you can download the app from App Store or Google Play Store. If you have Linux, you can do that. All right, so after you install this, then after you're done installing it, then you can start using it on it. Make sure you connect it before you go to your browser. You go to your browser again, you clear all your history, you clear your check, you clear your cookies. Clear them so that no any activities. So now I'm going to install it. So any activities will be on it for any suspicious activities. All those Internet of Things, how they do their stuff. So now we just install it. So after the installation, all right, so it's going to take a little bit time, so I'm going to fast forward it, so this video will be short for you because I know you don't have patience. All right, so let's go. All right, so after you're done with the you fast it, stuff like that, then I want you to go to your browser. I just clear the history of my browser now. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to visit the PayPal homepage to Oh, to create it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. So I'll just click on enter. So I'll just click on enter, right? Please pay attention to this video. So you can see where it say ng. So I'm going to change it to, you see, paypal.ng, but I'm going to change it to AE, which is Arab Emirates. So like I'm opening this PayPal from Dubai. So that's exactly what I want you to do if you want this PayPal to work for you. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I'll just click on sign up. All right, you know what sign up is, so I'll just click on sign up. Give it time, it's going to bring the information you need. So here, oh, you can go for your personal account or business. So for me, I'm going for business. So let's go. So I just click on continue with the business. All right, so I'll click on continue with the business. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, right? Because at the end of this video, I'm going to create a bank account, a US bank account that you can link it. Opening this thing is not the most important thing, but verifying it and linking the bank that will make you to receive payment. And one thing again is, after opening this PayPal account, don't start receiving huge amounts of payment. Make it like a transaction basics, like put $5 from it and stuff like that. So here now you put your name, select your date of birth. So I just did. Then nationality, select Nigeria. Then what's your phone number? For me, I have a US phone number, right? So I'm going to put on US phone number, but nevertheless, if you're in United Arab Emirates, that's a very good one. And if you're not privileged to be there, if you're in Nigeria, you use your Nigeria phone number. Nothing spoiled. Nothing spoiled. Use your real life information so that you will not be restricted from some certain things on paper. See, if the information you are using is not pure, aside the top where we change, if the information are not pure, they can restrict your account, chase you away from PayPal, and you may have money there and your money is gone forever, right? So let's go. See, another thing is, there is a time people call me asking me where I am. Then I was not in Nigeria anyway, so I explained to them where I am, because I think when I try logged in, they find out. Then they call me that I told them that I went for a business. Blah, blah. Then they say, okay, PayPal is available in the country where I am. Then I can transact. So I'm putting down my number now. So